Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying Google Pay is active on your phone or browser and has a valid payment method. Once done, open eBay, sign in, and add the item to your cart or choose Buy It Now. At checkout, you'll see payment options. Look for Google Pay. Tap it to initiate authorization. You're doing this now to avoid back and forth later, and it speeds up shipping and order confirmation because Google Pay shares verified info instantly. Once you select Google Pay, review the card and billing address it proposes because eBay pulls info from your Google profile. Make sure the shipping address is correct. Change it here if needed. Then authorize the charge. Use your fingerprint, face, or device PIN to authenticate. When prompted, confirm the total including tax and shipping. This step prevents declines and mismatched deliveries and ensures the seller receives a verified payment method, so orders move to fulfillment faster. After authentication, tap Confirm or Place Order and wait for eBay's confirmation screen plus a Google Pay receipt. If the payment fails, first check the card's expiration, billing address, and that Google Pay is selected as the active method. Once done, try again. If problems continue, update or reinstall the eBay and Google Pay apps, clear cache, and reboot your device. Then contact your bank to verify there's no hold. This sequence resolves most
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.